Hello friends, welcome to my channel, with another helpful short video tutorial, about changing the Microsoft Teams background theme. So, let's start. After opening the theme, go to the Setting options, from the three-dot menu. In General Options, you can see the different type of theme. You can change your background theme by selecting anyone. I changed my theme. You can try it now. Very simple and easy. Friends, again I show this full process. If you have any queries about Microsoft Teams related issues, please type me in the comment box. I always try my best to help my all friends with any issue. Please type me your problem, I will try to resolve it. Thanks for watching this video. Please, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more new tech and ICT related videos.